throw up in the backseat with a 97 pin flow. Got a feeling when you smoke it when I flip it to a track speed. Talking about a beautiful figure, astonishing as people.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Twister right here getting at you. And you know I'm preparing to drop that Category F5 on y'all this summer, you dig? One of the most highly anticipated albums of the year. So it's no wonder that I'm gearing up for this fight night round 4, you dig? Getting my Tyson on, my Muhammad Ali on, bobbing and weaving, sticking and moving. You know how I do. Pretty much just knocking these fools out. You know what I'm saying? Left and right in record time. Y'all know it's going down. I always been real nice with the sticks if you ain't heard. So if you want to come get it, I'm taking on all comers, you dig? You know what? I'm going to challenge a few players, you know what I'm saying? Especially my boy Bow Wow. I want you to see me on this fight night round 4, you know what I'm saying? Snoop about to have a party where he going to be debuting the game in Hollywood, so we got to get it cracking, you know what I'm saying? Bring your ass out and let's rumble. You know what I'm saying? Fight night style. Category F5 in stores this summer. Keep up with me on Twitter at twistergmg.com. You dig? It's going down. Category F5 in stores July 14th. Keep up with me at myspace.com/Twister. It's going down. So when I'm not for the feminine and everybody that proceed with the hatred, I'ma teach them a lesson. I take shots.